Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Click Tech Updates, where we dive deep into the world of IT and tech careers. I'm your name, and today we're talking about how you can become an IT support engineer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to switch careers, this video is for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Educational background. This is the foundation of your journey into the tech world. You want to be the go-to person for all things tech? The one everyone turns to when their computer crashes or their network goes down? That's awesome. But where do you start? The tech field is vast and can be overwhelming at first. The first thing we need to talk about is education. It's the stepping stone to understanding the basics and beyond. Do you really need a fancy degree to fix computers? Or to troubleshoot network issues? The truth is, you don't always need a 4-year degree to break into IT support. Many have paved their way through alternative routes. Many successful techs learned their skills through self-study, boot camps, or simply by tinkering with computers in their spare time. However, having a diploma can give you a head start and show potential employers that you've got a solid foundation. It can be a testament to your dedication and knowledge. Some companies won't consider you without a degree, so it can be a foot in the door. It can also make your resume stand out in a crowded job market. If college is an option, consider majoring in computer science, information technology, or cybersecurity. These fields are in high demand and offer a broad range of opportunities. These programs cover everything from programming languages to network infrastructure. You'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the tech landscape. The bottom line, a degree can be valuable, but it's not the be-all and end-all. It's one of many paths you can take. What matters most is your passion for tech, willingness to learn, and problem-solving ability. These qualities will drive your success, whether you have a degree or not. Remember, the tech industry values skills and experience. Online courses, certifications, and hands-on projects can also build your credibility. Networking with professionals and staying updated with the latest tech trends can also open doors. The tech community is vast and supportive. Ultimately, your journey in tech is unique to you. Embrace the learning process and celebrate your achievements along the way. Step 2 is all about your tech skills. These are the core abilities that will set you apart in the IT world. Education is like your superhero origin story, but your tech skills are your superpowers. They are what make you effective and efficient in solving problems. First, you need to be fluent in operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. Each has its own quirks and features, and being comfortable with all three will make you versatile. Next, understand hardware, how computers are put together and how to troubleshoot them. Knowing the ins and outs of computer components can save you a lot of time and headaches. Networking is crucial. Understand basics like TCP/IP, DNS, and DHCP. These are the building blocks of any network, and mastering them will allow you to manage and troubleshoot network issues effectively. Basic scripting or programming knowledge can be super helpful for automating tasks. Whether it's writing a simple script to automate repetitive tasks or understanding how software interacts with hardware, coding skills are invaluable. Security software is your sidekick. Know how to keep viruses and hackers at bay. Cybersecurity is a growing concern, and being able to protect systems from threats is a critical skill. There are tons of resources to help you develop your tech skills. Online courses, tutorials, books. The internet is a treasure trove of information, and you can learn almost anything if you know where to look. Get hands-on experience by building your own computer or setting up a home network. Practical experience is often the best teacher, and these projects can give you a deeper understanding of how things work. Becoming an IT support engineer is about continuous learning. The tech world is always changing, and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies is essential. Technology is always evolving, so be ready to adapt and pick up new skills. Whether it's a new programming language, a new piece of hardware, or a new software tool, being adaptable is key. It's like a video game. Keep leveling up to defeat the final boss. Each new skill you learn is like gaining a new power-up, making you more capable and confident. Remember, your tech skills are your superpowers. Use them wisely. With great power comes great responsibility, so always strive to use your skills to help others and make the world a better place.
I
Let's talk certifications. These are like badges of honor in the IT world. They show potential employers that you've got the skills and knowledge to get the job done. Certifications prove you've conquered certain challenges. They're not always mandatory, but they can make a world of difference. Start with the CompTIA, a plus certification for fundamental IT skills. Move on to more specialized certifications like CompTIA Network Plus. Certifications offer a structured learning path and boost your resume. There are certifications for cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analysis, and more. As you gain experience, continue to level up your certification game. Certifications are a valuable investment in your IT career. Get certified, level up your skills, and watch your IT career soar. Let's talk about practical experience. It's the bridge between theory and real-world application. This is where you take all that theoretical knowledge and put it to the test in the real world. It's about applying what you've learned in a dynamic environment. You need to get your hands dirty, troubleshoot real problems, and learn how to think on your feet. This is where true learning happens. There are plenty of ways to gain practical experience, even if you don't have formal work experience. You just need to be resourceful and proactive. Internships are gold mines for aspiring IT professionals. They offer a structured environment where you can learn and grow under the guidance of experienced mentors. Part-time jobs like help desk technician or IT assistant are great for handling basic IT issues. These roles teach you how to manage common problems and interact with users. Volunteering is another fantastic way to gain experience and give back to your community. It allows you to work on diverse projects and develop a sense of social responsibility. Personal projects like building a website or setting up a home network can also be valuable. These projects showcase your initiative and ability to solve problems independently. Be proactive, seek out opportunities, network with people in the industry, and start small. Attend events, join online forums, and connect with like-minded individuals. Every IT support engineer starts somewhere. The key is to keep learning and growing no matter where you begin. The more practical experience you gain, the more confident you'll become. Confidence comes from knowing you've faced and overcome real challenges. Practical experience prepares you for the challenges of the IT world. It equips you with the skills and resilience needed to thrive in this ever-evolving field. Let's talk about something super important: soft skills. These skills are just as crucial as your technical know-how, especially in IT support. As an IT support engineer, you're dealing with people, not just machines. Communication is key. Explain technical jargon in plain English and listen patiently. Problem solving is essential. Identify problems, analyze situations, and come up with creative solutions. Patience is crucial. Stay calm and guide frustrated users with empathy. Customer service is about providing excellent service and making users feel heard. Soft skills set you apart from the crowd and make you a valuable asset. They help you build strong relationships with your users. Being a tech whiz is great, but being a tech whiz with soft skills makes you a true IT support engineer. Don't neglect those soft skills. They're your secret weapon. Master them, and you'll excel in your IT support career. Let's talk networking. Building relationships with other people in the tech industry is crucial. Networking can open doors to job opportunities, mentorship, and tech knowledge. Professional organizations like CompTIA, IE, or ISACA are great places to start. Conferences and industry events are fantastic for learning and connecting. Online networking on platforms like LinkedIn is also powerful. Create a compelling profile, join relevant groups, and engage in conversations. Mentorship is another huge benefit of networking. Find someone in the industry you admire and reach out to them. Networking is a two-way street. Share your knowledge and build genuine relationships. Attend events, connect with people online, and build your IT support network. Networking is a valuable investment in your career. In the tech world, if you're not learning, you're falling behind. Technology moves fast, and continuous learning is crucial for a career in IT support. Embrace online learning. There are tons of amazing resources out there. Dive into technical documentation. It's a goldmine of information. Attend conferences and workshops for networking and learning. Experiment with different technologies. Set up a home lab or build a website. Continuous learning is a mindset. Stay curious and hungry for knowledge. Always seek out opportunities to grow and improve your skills. Embrace the ever-evolving world of technology. Make continuous learning a habit. Watch your IT career flourish. You've built your skills and networked like a pro. Now it's time for the job search. Your resume is your first impression. Make it clear, concise, and tailored to the job. Highlight your technical skills and use keywords from the job description. Demonstrate your skills with real-world examples and quantify your accomplishments. The interview is your chance to shine. Dress professionally and be confident. Be prepared to answer technical questions and ask thoughtful questions. Show that you're curious, engaged, and genuinely interested in the position. Don't be discouraged if you don't land the first job you apply for. The job search can be a marathon, not a sprint. Keep refining your resume and practicing your interview skills. Network with people in the industry. Remember, you've got this. You've put in the hard work and gained the skills. Now it's time to show the world what you're capable of. Go get them. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful IT support engineer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Click Tech Updates, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.